The good news is if you wanted to go up to Rocky Mountain National Park today, it is a beautiful day to be outside in Colorado.
Right, and we finally have a little bit of winter weather up there, which
Yes.
has been sort of devoid for a long time.
They need the snow.
Oh my gosh, and down here it's all 60s and 70s. So it's like every day, Jacqueline, it's in the 60s. But this is Steamboat right now. We have a little bit of snow coming down. They actually want you to come up, Jacqueline, and do some skiing with Billy Kidd.
Oh, I'll do it. Let's go.
So go on up there. I think we're going to get a few inches up there overnight at Steamboat. This is actually one of the places I think will get more snow than others out of this storm system. And it's not a big storm, but right now in Denver, it's totally dry and it's mild. It's in the 40s right now. A little bit of cloud cover. It was really thick earlier today. Some of that is burning away. Here's radar. Again, dry for I-25, but you can see the snow up here hanging over the Continental Divide. A lot of that is going to be wind-driven and, of course, up towards Steamboat and Rapid Ears Pass. So here's our storm system coming in out of the southwest, just sort of following these arrows. It will take another full day to totally move through Colorado because we need as much of this as we can. I mean, the snowpack currently, when you average all the basins together and get an average for the state, is 56% of normal. That is the third worst on record for this time of the season. So it's going to take a long time to catch up. All right, here's our futurecast. There's the snow tonight across the high country. It's still there on Friday morning, and it's still there in the afternoon on Friday. All the while, we get the dry downsloping winds for Denver, and it stays just awfully warm. Saturday in the morning, sunny and dry. A little bit of extra cloud cover by Saturday afternoon. On Sunday, another little weather disturbance kind of rolls through the mountains with another 1 or 2 inches of snow. It's gone by Sunday afternoon, and potentially another storm blowing in from the west-northwest, and that could carry us all the way through Monday afternoon. So how much snow? Well, it's not going to be a lot. I mean, we're talking low numbers here. You can see them. It's all right on the divide in West Steamboat, maybe 4, 5, 6 inches, but everybody else is a little bit less than that. I'll zoom in for you. Nothing down here, but as soon as you hit Loveland, it's 2, 3 inches, a little bit more on snowmass out there in Aspen. Rocky Mountain National, we talked about that, maybe a few inches up there. A lot of wind as well in the northern mountains. Rabbit ears could be right around 7 inches of snow. So overnight tonight, down to 38. This is mild stuff for this time of the year. We should be sub-freezing. All right, high temperatures tomorrow, it's back to 60. I mean, I wasn't kidding. It's like every day is going to be about 60 degrees in the mountains. Those are warm temperatures for this time of the year. All right, here's the Super 7-day forecast. 60 is my forecast on Friday. Partly sunny skies. Still very warm on Saturday. Excellent day to be outside, 62. Sunday, Broncos game, exceptionally nice, almost 70. We're going to rival that record, which is 67 on Sunday. Next week, we'll get a little bit of a cool down, only into the 50s, and it stays totally dry.